Hi, welcome. Today we will play Bad Moon Rising by CCR. This video is part of a series of Creedence Clearwater Revival music, so if you love their songs like I do, you can check out the other songs too. Now for this one, we only need 3 chords, and that is D, A, and G. The magic of the song is in the strumming pattern, so let's learn it chord by chord. For the first chord, D chord, we need to do down, down, and that's going to line up with the lyrics anytime we're saying, I see, or I hear. That's going to line up. After that is the trickiest part. It's a rest. And for that rest, I like to do a little movement of the hand just to give my hand something to do so that it doesn't anticipate the next strum after that. So it's going to be down, down, rest. And when your hand is down here, then you're going to do up, down, up. So it's down, down, rest, up, down, up. Again, 2, ready, and I see. Now we've approached the brackets. For each chord of the bracket, you're going to give it 2 beats or do down, down, up, and then the next chord, down, down, up. It'll sound like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Again, slower. 1, 2, the brackets go. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Again, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up. Amazing. Okay, so let's put those 2 sections together, the first D chord and the brackets. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. You know, I come from a background of playing saxophone, and what my teacher, Mr. Rasmussen, would tell us to do is to take a breath on the rests and take a breath in time, like in rhythm. So I actually did it just now, where I did down, down, and that little breath to keep me in time. So try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then in the phrase, we have 2 D chords left. These 2 have a strumming pattern that we will use for the chorus, which is really nice. And that's down, down, up, down, up, and again, down, down, up, down, up. So the whole phrase in context. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Go ahead and try it a few times. Play with it. I want to tell you about something. So as I'm telling you, go ahead and play with it. So I would like to dedicate this video to my Patreon community. Because of them, I'm able to do this full time. So thank you so much, patrons. I really appreciate what you do for this channel and for this community. Without you, this video would not be happening. So thank you, thank you. And if you're interested in joining the Patreon community, you can just head over to patreon.com/BernadetteTeachesMusic. And every Monday, I give my Patreon members a new sheet of music. I have a background in education, and my specialty was curriculum design. So I love designing courses and educational resources. So every Music Monday, they get new PDFs, and the PDFs are for ukulele, baritone, ukulele, and guitar. So they get 3 sets every Monday. And then every week, we also meet for a Zoom lesson. So what we do is we take one song and just focus on it for the whole class. And it's really nice because we can engage, ask questions, you can make suggestions, and it's a good time for us to bond. So that's all over at the Patreon. Okay, so hopefully you had a chance to practice a few times. So let's put it all together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Again, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. And it might help to say rest if that's kind of like stumbling you. Down, down, rest, up, down, up. The hand will do what the mouth says. One more time, and down, down, rest, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, put that in the parking lot. Let's go to the chorus because the chorus is a lot easier. So for the chorus, we have a few chords, but they all have the same strumming pattern. And that's the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. So let's try it. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, chorus. G, 2, 3, 4. G for golf. D for delta. D for delta. A for alpha. G for golf. And D for delta. D for delta. And I'm saying golf, delta, and alpha because on the video, as you're playing and listening to your ukulele, G and D could sound very similar. So I try using different cues. Let's try that again. The chorus. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it. Go. Don't go around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Again, 2, ready, and don't go around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. So the whole song consists of an intro, verse, and chorus, and it just repeats those sections. And the intro is actually the same rhythm and chords as the verse. So you have everything you need to learn the song. I want to go back to the verse and practice that again. And let me know in the comments what's helping you most with that little ghost strum. Is it to say rest? Is it to breathe? Or do you have something new that you're doing? Please let us know. Here we go. Right at the verse. 1, 2, a little slower. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Again, go. Down, down, rest, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that is actually the intro. So why don't we put together an intro, verse, and chorus? And I'm looking this way, by the way, because I have my music stand right here with my tablet. So this is my music stand. And I want to make sure I'm always teaching the right thing, so I have it in front of me. Okay, so let's put together intro, verse, and chorus. Here we go. 1, 2, play with joy. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Verse, ready, go. I see that moon arising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. I see bad times today. Chorus, ready, go. Don't go around tonight. It's bound to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. Now, there's one thing I would like to let you know that you can do that might add a little bit of flavor to the song. So I like doing something like this. And this is called staccato. It's the musical term for detached or slightly separated. So instead of it sounding attached like this, I do this. And so the way that I do that is when I strum that first D chord, I hold the chord, right? But I release the fretting hand slightly, just enough to make the string stop vibrating. It's a very fast move. And then for the next one, I hold it. And that gives me that ta-ta. And I just do it for that first strum. Here it is again. And you can add a little bounce if that helps, like this. I see the moon rising. Oh, and And this is a high D, and that's 2-2-2-5, frets 2-2-2-5. And you can add that maybe at the end of a song or at the end of a phrase if you want to switch from a normal D to the high D, just to add some extra flavor. So let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you were doing for that little ghost strum. And if you join the Patreon community, I'll be really excited to see you in one of our lessons via Zoom or at one of our meetups. We do quite a few meetups. Again, this video is part of a series where we have other songs, so make sure and check those out. I'd like to mention the ukulele that I'm playing today because I've never played anything quite like this. This is a Series 1 John S. Kinnard instrument. I met the friends who sent this over at Reno Uke Fest, and I asked them if I could showcase their instruments on the channel because I was just taken aback by the beauty and the sound. They're just so beautiful. So I'm going to add their link down below so you can check them out. If you want something just unique, that is art, that is so thoughtfully made, definitely check them out. I think you'll really, really like them. So thank you so much for letting me play your gorgeous instrument. And thank you for watching today's tutorial. I really hope to see you in a Zoom lesson or a meetup or another one of these tutorials. Take care. See you soon. Ciao.